Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. So here we are covering visuals under this playlist. So in the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about this donut chart. I hope guys now you are cleared with this donut chart. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about the next visual of Power BI, which name is tree map. So before start this class guys, let me give you brief knowledge about this tree map. So guys, with the help of this tree map visual, we can compare the large amount of hierarchical data. Where we have large number of values in a single column, then this tree map is really useful. Because when we have a large number of values in a single column, so other charts will not able to show the better picture effectively. So in such cases guys, we can use this tree map chart visual. And now let's go to this practical page. So here you guys can see I have already taken this tree map visual here under this visualization pane. And now look at the parameter. So here we have categories, details, values and tooltips. So let's talk about this category parameter. So before move to this category parameter guys, let's first look at the data set. So let's go here in data view. So if I talk about this first column guys, which is sales ID, so here we can see we have a multiple values under one column like S01, S02, S03 and so on. And if we check this next column guys, which is names, so if I click here on this filter button, so here we guys can see we have a multiple names here under single column like Anjit Roy, Ashish Kumar, Avinash Banerjee and so on. So guys, we need to take such types of column under category parameter where we have multiple values under single column, just like names and sales ID. Because if I click here on this product column guys, so here we guys can see we have just 4 distinct value, which is bread, butter, cake and milk, which we can easily display with the help of other visuals like pie chart, donut chart and other bar graph chart. So for such kind of data set guys, other visuals are effective. But when we have many values under the single column, so in such kind of scenarios guys, tree map visual is really effective. And if I talk about the other columns guys, let's say state. So here under this states column guys, here you guys can also see we have a multiple states under single column. So guys, you guys can take any of the column from this data set like state, names and sales ID, because we have multiple values under single column. And now let's go back to the report view. So guys, under category parameter, I want to display name wise sale. So firstly I will expand this sales table, and under category parameter guys, I will take this name field. So I will simply select this name field from here and drag and drop it here into category. And now let's talk about the next parameter, which is detail. So for now only guys, we need to skip this detail parameter. We will talk about this later. So let me scroll down, and here we guys can see the next parameter is value. So under value parameter guys, we need to take any measurable value. So here we have lot of measurable value guys like cost, profit and total sales. So you guys can take any of the measurable value under value parameter. So I want to display name wise sale. So here I will take this total sales column and drag and drop here under this value parameter. And now we guys can see our tree map has ready with this name and its sales. So guys, if you hover your mouse anywhere in this name guys, so you guys can see the sales along with name. So here under this first record guys, Rakshit Jain has made the total sales is 123,400. And in a similar way guys, if I hover my mouse here under this Shubham, so here I can see the total sales of Shubham is 108,140. So if you guys observe it, here are some rectangles whose shapes is bigger in size and some rectangles are smaller in size, because it's totally depend on sum of sales. So highest sale made by Rakshit Jain here under this data set, which is 123,400. That's why here rectangle shape is big in size as compared to other rectangles. And if you talk about the second record, which is Shubham, so he made a sales of 108140, which is lesser than as compared to Rakshit Jain. In a similar way guys, if you check the other rectangles, let's say if I hover my mouse here on Ashish Kumar, so here we guys can easily see the Ashish Kumar has sold least sale under this dataset, which is 25,400. That's why here rectangle shape is smaller in size as compared to other rectangles. So guys, rectangle size varies on measurable value. If we have a highest sale, so the rectangle size will be big. And if we have a lowest sale, so the rectangle size will be small. So I hope guys now you have clear idea about this tree map visual. And now let's talk about the next parameter of this tree map visual, which is detail. So guys, if you want to make further analysis of this chart, let's suppose along with name you guys also want to see the regions of these salesperson. So I will simply select this region column from here and drop it here under this detail parameter. And now we guys can see the moment I drop this region column here, then I can also see the region along with names. So Rakshit Jain has made sales only in West region. In a similar way guys, Shubham has only sold in North region. So in this way guys, you guys can use this detail parameter. And let's suppose guys, if I want to change this detail parameter from region to country. And now guys, I can see country with names. So Rakshit Jain has sold in China country. And in a similar way guys, Shubham has made a sales in Sri Lanka country only. So you guys can play with this detail parameter. And now let's talk about this formatting part of this tree map visual. So let me go here in this formatting pane. So here we guys can see we have already covered these legends, colors, data labels, category labels in the previous video of visualization playlist. So you guys can watch my previous video of visualization playlist, or you guys can explore by yourself. So these features are very easy to understand. So you guys can explore by yourself. So I hope guys now you have definitely enjoyed this video and cleared with all the features of this tree map visual. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this free YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And if you click here on this playlist guys, so here we guys can see we have a multiple playlist of Power BI. So with the help of this DAX expression playlist guys, you guys can learn DAX functions from scratch, where I have tried to cover each and every DAX functions in detail. And also we have one more playlist guys, which name is Power BI Updates, where you guys will get to see the latest updates about Power BI. So you guys don't require to go anywhere to see latest updates about Power BI. And with the help of this visualization playlist guys, I am also trying to cover each and every visuals in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. So stay connected with us for such kind of learning. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview questions and answers, which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think guys you require paid training sessions, so I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day one class guys, I prepare for you interview rounds with some scenario based question which asked by an interviewer. So for paid training support or any other queries, you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can follow me there. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.